Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active YouTube TV subscription and that your Google account is ready. Once done, open the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for YouTube TV. Tap Download and allow permissions the app requests. These let the app work correctly and save settings. While it installs, make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges, and check storage space if the download stalls. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Sign In with Google. Pick the account tied to your YouTube TV subscription. You'll be asked to allow location and notification access. Accept these to receive local channel listings and alerts. Next, go into Settings inside the app to choose streaming quality and adjust mobile data usage, so you balance video clarity and data limits. If you share the account, verify household sharing, or add family members. To finish, tap Live to watch current channels or library to play recordings. Use the cast icon to send video to a TV when available. If playback buffers or errors appear, first confirm your network speed and try toggling airplane mode or reconnecting Wi-Fi. That often resolves streaming hiccups. If issues persist, force quit and reopen the app, clear the app cache on Android, or reinstall the app. You can also reboot your phone, which clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.